He's not well, so that he can't perform. He didn't go to the office, so he could take rest. So these are the two sentences where I have used conjunctions so that and so. So is there any mistake in these sentences or can you correct them? So sometimes I have seen that people get confused while using these conjunctions so and so that. So what is the appropriate use for each of them? You'll come to know in this video. Okay? So you learn the difference between so and so that. So if you are one of them, those who get confused while using these conjunctions to join two sentences, then you must watch this video without skipping. Hello everyone, welcome to Explore More and Learn. I am Dr. Anshul. I hope you all are taking very good care of yourself. If you are new to this channel, then subscribe it and press the bell icon and join this channel if you want to improve your English, and you will get much more content for practice. Okay, so let's start this video with conjunctions. So first conjunction is so. So is a coordinating conjunction. It joins two independent clauses and it is used to show cause and result. How? You will understand better with examples. For example, I am hungry, so I want to eat something. As I told you that it joins two independent clauses. So here we have two clauses in one sentence. I am hungry. Another is I want to eat something. And these two clauses are joined by this conjunction so. And it is showing a result. How? The cause is I am hungry and the result is that I want to eat something. Okay, so this is the result. So is always preceded by a comma, remember it. Alright, so it is joining two independent clauses. Another example, it's your birthday, so I bought a gift. Now you see, here it is again preceded by a comma and it shows the result. So I bought a gift. So this is the result and this is the cause. It's your birthday, so I bought a gift. Now another conjunction, so that. It is a subordinate conjunction. It describes the purpose or reason of an action, which means in order to. And it begins a subordinate clause. What is subordinate clause? A clause that is dependent on a main clause. Right? So what is the basic purpose of conjunction? To join two clauses, right? So here you see, you will understand better with these examples. She works hard so that she can earn money. Here in this sentence, this is one sentence and we have two clauses. She works hard, she can earn money. And these clauses are joined by this conjunction so that. So she works hard is a main clause and this is subordinate clause which is dependent on this main clause. So that is showing a reason here. She works hard. Why? So that she can earn money. Alright. So what did you understand? That so that shows the reason. Alright. Now another example. It is I speak slowly so that you can understand well. So here again we have two clauses. I speak slowly is the main clause which is not dependent on any other clause. But you can understand well is subordinate clause. And it is dependent on the main clause. I speak slowly. Why? So that you can understand well. So this is conjunction which is starting this subordinate clause. You can understand well. And you notice one thing, that this conjunction is not preceded by a comma here. Alright. So in this way, this was all about so and so that. These are the differences between these two conjunctions. But again, in short, I'll tell you the difference between so and so that. So is a coordinate conjunction. It joins two independent clauses. Okay, so no clause is dependent on any other clause. And it shows the result. And it is preceded by a comma. Remember it. And so that is a subordinate conjunction. It begins a subordinate clause. It shows the reason and no comma is required here. Did you get? I hope you have understood all these points, all the difference between so and so that. Now let's understand the sentences which I asked in the beginning, or the examples which I have given in the beginning. So these were the examples. He is not well, so that he can't perform. So this is incorrect sentence. What is the correct? He is not well, so he can't perform. Okay. He didn't go to the office, so he could take rest. Now the appropriate sentence will be, he didn't go to the office so that he could take rest. I hope you have understood these sentences well. I'll ask you a question just to test your understanding about these conjunctions, okay? And you try to answer that. So I am giving you two sentences. It was late, I went home. Just try to join them together. These will be two clauses, and you make one sentence by joining either with so or so that. So whatever the appropriate conjunction is, you try to join these two sentences by using that appropriate conjunction. Alright, so I'll wait for your responses in the comment box. Thank you for watching. If you have liked this video, then please press like, and if you're new to this channel, then subscribe it by pressing subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you may get notification for the next video. Very soon I'll upload another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.